Hey, what's up, YouTube? Phil Ebener here with another cool Photoshop brush pack. This is a paint brush stroke and brush splatter pack. You can see that you can kind of click once with these brush strokes and it gives a nice texture that you can add to graphic design, all kinds of different stuff you can paint on with it as well. Very cool stuff. Lots of different examples of what you can do. Very organic, and I think this is going to work really well for a lot of people. Very, very cool stuff. And as always, if you are a student of ours, you get this brush pack completely free in our Photoshop courses. So head to that course and that's where you can download this brush pack. And if you're not in the course, whenever we launch these brush packs, we actually give out the course for free, which is an incredible opportunity for you to be able to get these brush packs completely free. I'm having fun with this brush pack. I love it. And shout out to Celine who created this brush pack. She's an amazing artist. I'll tag her down below to her Instagram. Go follow her. Very cool stuff that she has created for our audience. And if you are in the class or if you're joining the class, make sure you go through it and leave a rating or a review. You can do that on the courses page or on Udemy specifically or on Skillshare. You can leave a rating of the class, and this helps us know if this is sort of the right kind of content that you want for the class. If it's not, if you think there should be some sort of improvements to the class, and that really helps us know how to improve the class. It helps other students know if it's the right course for them or not. So leave a review, tag us on Instagram if you're posting any artwork using these brushes. We'd love to share it with our audience, and enjoy. Much love, and we'll see you in the next pack coming up in about a month. Cheers.